So this is Apparel Engineering TV. Yes, this is how I set it up and installed my VESTA model VT8700 single lock stitch machine. So that is the brand new set. Came from 3 different boxes, came out with a lamp, and it's ready to operate. And that is the bobbin, the one of which when I'm done I want to sew. When my bobbin is finished, I insert it into it, then rewind back my threads onto the bobbin, and that is also ready to be installed onto the table. That is the stand spool for the thread. That is well arranged and ready for operation. That is the boxes. Came with 3 different boxes, drawer under, and that is ready to operate. It has been stored correctly. That is the motor under it, and the table has been set with the pan under and with the treadle. That is the knee lifting pad, the knee lifter that lifts the presser foot. When you press it, goes right. Press it from left to right, lifts the presser foot. So that is the VESTA model VT8700 lock stitch machine that has been set. Thank you very much. Next time I'm bringing you with how to thread a single lock stitch machine. Thank you.